Maggie. Today I'm going to be trying out cloves for the very first time, but I added some rosemary because it has a good scent. Some rosemary helps in strengthening of the hair, so it is really good to try. So let's try out this together. First of all, I got some amount of cloves. I didn't measure how many tablespoons, but I knew exactly what I wanted. I boiled some water. So I went ahead to add some rosemary into the bowl. So this is exactly the amount of cloves and rosemary I wanted. Once my water was completely boiled, I went ahead to pour it into the rosemary and cloves. So you want to make sure you get a good concentration. I went ahead and covered this till the next day. So the next day, I got my spray bottle and strained it into the spray bottle. Things first, before you can strain it, you want to make sure that you mix it so you get all that full mixture, that concentration. You want to mix it all over. This fine juice that we're about to add into our hair, actually this is really good for the scalp as well. If you have an itching scalp, this is definitely what you want to try out. Once you have a fine mixture, you go ahead and strain it into your spray bottle. So you guys, I wanted to apply this on a very clean scalp so that we get good results. So I went ahead to wash my hair. Guys, this was really difficult for me to film, so I decided to put my phone down and complete my hair. It was really difficult. Maybe some other time I'll get for you a very good clip on how I really detangle and wash my hair. As you can see, I was washing my hair using only one hand. Is that possible? It's not. Washing my hair, I went ahead to separate this hair into smaller portions. After separating my hair into smaller portions, I went ahead to spray, but you guys, guess what? My spray bottle was not spraying again. So what I decided to do was to go into the bathroom, and as I told you guys, filming was very difficult for me in the bathroom. So I went ahead to do it not on camera. After applying this on my scalp, I was really feeling good. I went ahead to put my hair together. So you guys, you definitely have to try out this. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload.